What's up, crypto crew? I'm going to show you guys how you can earn up to $60 an hour for watching some short, simple videos and then answering one easy question. All the relevant links are going to be down below, so go check them out. All right, everybody. So here's one way that you can start earning free cryptocurrency online. So you'll start off by going to Coinbase.com. I've got the link to that in the description below. You are going to then click on the Get Started tab. So here, you will just basically create your own account. There is a series of steps that you will need to go through, including verifying your identity. So you will need a piece of government issued ID, either your passport or your driver's license works great. The process actually went very, very quickly for myself. I had my account up and running within about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your account is up and running, you will be able to see the home screen here once you've logged in, and it's hard to miss where the way to earn free cryptocurrency is. So it's everywhere. It's at the top here. It really stands out with your big bold green bar there. It also is right here, earn rewards. So you can click on either of those. I like to just click on the one at the top. So right now you can see that I've got a few opportunities to earn some simply for watching some videos. So it's a 2-minute video. You get $1 worth of Zcash. So $1 for 2 minutes of time, that's 30 bucks an hour. Not so bad. You scroll down here, comp, you can earn, I've already done this one, but you can earn $3 for 3 minutes of your time. So that equates to $60 an hour, right? So you can go through, and there are a few other ones down here as well. I've done some stuff for Stellar as well. Couple different coins down here: Algorand, Maker, Cello. So there's a bunch of different ones on here already that you can go into and simply start watching these videos. So you click on here and the video is going to start playing, and I would just watch this video, and once I have watched this video, there's going to be a question at the end of the video. As long as I answer that video correctly, I'm going to get some free crypto put into my account. Now, you will notice for Zcash in particular that I have been put on the wait list. So it deems that I'm not yet eligible in order to earn Zcash. So let's look at what that actually means. So it says that I'm going to be allowed to earn cryptocurrencies as long as, I'm an eligible Coinbase earner. So you need to live in a few. There's lots of countries, but if you don't live in these countries, you likely won't be able to earn this cryptocurrency. You also need to make sure that your ID is verified, so that's going to be important when you go through the sign-up process, that you make sure that that is verified. You need to make sure that there are obviously no frauds going on or anything like that, and you should only have one Coinbase account. We can't set up multiple and start earning from multiple accounts, because that's cheating. We can't do that. So I'm put on the wait list, which means that there's probably a few people ahead of me that they have higher priority. Maybe they've been on here a little bit longer, or they have more. I'm not sure exactly how they determine who gets put first on the wait list, but right now that is where I am. I'm on the wait list and waiting to be able to earn some Zcash. Now, I know a couple of you might be a little skeptical as to whether or not you actually do get your cryptocurrency from watching those videos. So I'll prove that to you right now. So when you go to earn, you can see that Stellar was one of the coins that I could have earned money on. So it does say I've earned $2 worth of Stellar. So if I go back to home and I click on my Stellar wallet, you can in fact see that I did receive 5. So there were 5 different videos that I watched. And that was $2 American. I've got my money in Canadian, so I earned a little bit more in Canadian money. And then I used that Stellar to go purchase something else. So you can always keep the coin that you earn, or you can trade it for something else, as long as it's supported by Coinbase within the Coinbase platform. But maybe that is a topic for another video. But for right now, just know that you can earn rewards through through Coinbase Earn, and there are multiple opportunities to do it. So there you go.